Welcome to the online classes. We have discussed the class 9 of the subject science. In the previous lecture, we have to study forces. After that, we have to discuss unit of force. After that, we have to discuss how the magnitude and the direction of the force can be determined. Now we have to move further. Basic characteristics of the force means characteristic characteristics of force. The first basic characteristics is that point of applications. The point of application is the point where the force is to be acted. It means the first point is that the point of application. The point of application is the point where the net force is acting on the particles. Now we have to see the second point. Line of action of force. The second point we have to see that the line of action of the force is that the line in which the force is to be acting throughout on the line. That is line of action of the force. The third point that is to be see here is that direction and magnitude. It means how much amount of the force that is to be acting on a particular object, in which amount the force is to be acting, and also the direction is also matters for us, in which direction the force is to be acting, because the direction can decide that whole of the body can be transmitted in the directions. So we have to examine these factors. Suppose we have a simple object here that is simply placing on the ground. That is block. This is ground. The force that is to be active in this direction, it means this point is called point of application. Point of application. The line of action is the point line at which the force is to be active. It means line of action. Suppose we have to take that 5 equal to 5 meter. 5 is called magnitude of force. These are the basic terminology. So we have to introduce these three terminologies here: the point of application, the line of action, and the direction and the magnitude, that is the basic characteristics of the forces. These are the basic characteristics. This is the line of action. This is the point of application at where the point is to be acted, and this is always inside the body. It means point of application is the point inside the object, that particular point the force is to be acted. These are the basic points. So we have to discuss the three basic points, that is known as characteristics of the forces.